Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can add the products on Temu app in add to cart. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Temu app. So I'm going to click on this Temu here. So let's open this. And as you can see, now we have to skip this ad here. Now simply what we have to do, as you can see, now these different types of products are provided here. Now if you want to search any kind of a specific product, you have to click on this. For example, I'm going to crop top for women's and slippers. I'm going to click on this one here. So as you can see, now you will get, for example, I'm going to add this one here, or you can choose any of them. Now you will get the sizes here, like the sizes you, as you can see, 5.5, 5.6.5, these all sizes are provided here. Then you have to choose the quantity, and after that, simply, for example, I'm going to choose this size here, and now simply we have to click on the add to cart. And after that, as you can see, now you have to again choose the color and everything, and then you have to add this to in your cart. So as you can see, now it's added. Now simply what we have to do, we have to go back again. If you want to add a different product, again you can also add that. For example, I want to add this one again, and now we have to choose the size, that which size you want. For example, I want this size here, and you have to choose the quantity here, and I'm going to click on the add to cart. And now you have to choose the color here, black, and I'm going to add to cart here. So as you can see, now this is added into our cart. Now you have to click on this one here, and as you can see, now we are here. Simply you have to choose all the products which you want to buy at once. As you can see, now you will be able to see the total amount in your currency. In my currency here is 5706. And now if you want to, last chance to check out, if you want to purchase it, simply you have to click on this and your order will be placed. So in this way you can add your items into cart. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that on the Temu. So see you in the next video.